Guys, viral to.
Paborito ni Papa yan.
Baka kilala nyo ito.
Favorite ni
Viral
Papa
ito
yan.
Ito yung isang magaling na singer ng
Papa Pet. Yan ang mga kanta niya.
When I see your eyes, I can't go on
Ayan ang Ate Pearl. Ate Perla.
It's
Sige lang kanta lang, Ti.
real
Huwag kang tumingin.
but I just can't hide it.
baka naalala nyo, ito yung pinakamagaling doon sa pinanaan dati. Ay,
I've been away too long. Now I just can't go on. Been away too long. I've been away too long.
Yan,
Now I can feel.
yan, magkapatid sila yan.
Alam mo ba? Kung wala mo na
I've been away